Hello everybody, it is GrandOwlGaming here with, I guess a product review or, something like that. This is the Nickelodeon Slime. So, here it is. Now, it's a little busted up right now because, it's been a while since we've had this thing. We've had this thing since May and we were going to do a video then, but we never got around to it. So this is us getting around to the Nick Slime video right now. So here we go. We're just gonna set this microphone down right here so you can still hear me. And we're just going to basically open it up and kind of begin an unboxing process. So basically this is everything that comes in the box. I'll go into specifics later. You also have a set of instructions here, as well as this little thing. Basically, it's a message from Cra-Z-Art. So, yeah, I might just set this a little bit closer, something like that, just so you can hear me better. But okay, either way, I digress. So, what it looks like you have here, in this case, are two little plates right here. Okay. We also have these 4 little miniature cups as well. And we'll just move this out of the way. It also comes with the following product. Some, like little salt sounding stuff. The Cra-Z-Art clear glue. It also comes with Cra-Z-Art school glue apparently, so there's that. Some red and blue paints, some purplish paints, some classic green paint, and some blue paint, as well as what appears to be the glow-in-the-dark paint. We have some Google eyes here.
Hey everyone, it's GrandOwlGaming again. And this time, I know it's been about a day or two since we worked on the Nickelodeon Slime video, but today I have my cousins with me to help out. So now you get 3 times the family experience when it comes to making Nickelodeon Slime. So I'll see you guys in the tutorial. And that's it. That's how you make a video.
Measure 10 milliliters of glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get out as much glue as possible. Measure 30 milliliters of water, room temperature. Pour it into the same bowl as the glue. To make pink or green neon slime, measure 1 spoonful of colorant and add it into the bowl with the glue and water. To make the color more vibrant, you can add a second spoonful of colorant. To make glow-in-the-dark slime, Measure 1 spoonful of glow colorant and add it into the bowl of glue and water. By mixing glow colorant with neon colorant, you can create glowing colors. Measure 1 spoonful of glow colorant and 1 to 2 spoonfuls of neon colorant and add it into the bowl of glue and water. Stir the mixture of glue, water, and colorant until fully blended. Measure 2 level spoonfuls of slime making powder and empty it into the second bowl. Measure 15 milliliters of hot water and pour it into the bowl. Stir mixture until dissolved. Note, be careful with the hot water. You may want an adult to help you with this part. Once powder is completely dissolved, slowly pour the solution into the glue mixture from part A while stirring it. You will see the liquid mixture get thicker and thicker. Continue stirring until all the solution is absorbed and it gels up. Wait a few minutes until it cools down. You will then have a slimy material to play with. Tip: double the recipe to make a larger amount of slime at one time.
Okay everybody, so while my cousins are basically going to get cleaned up, this is the end of the video. This is the slime that we made. It's pretty mediocre, but then again, we're not slime making experts. So, you know, we had a good time making our glow-in-the-dark purple slime. And I hope that you either follow these instructions. No, not yet. We don't turn the lights off yet. But yeah, either you can follow the instructions or you don't have to. I'm pretty sure there are better videos out there for stuff like this.
It's not playing the game.
What?
How y'all is not playing the game? Ooh.
Because that's how videos work. You want to be in the video while I exit? Alright then, stay right here.
I catch the ball.
Don't be throwing the ball now. Now until the video's over, then you can throw the ball. Alright, buddy? Did you lock your brother out? Really? Alright, come on. We're coming to end the video.
I like you, buddy.
Okay. Is everyone here now?
Ooh.
Alex, stop throwing the ball.
Jason, exactly.
Okay. No more mixing, no more throwing. Let's end the video now, okay guys?
Okay.
Alright, down. Guys, you gotta be still. Here we go. Alright guys, so that's the video. We finally finished making our slime. It's okay. It's pretty mediocre slime. I don't expect Nickelodeon to be hiring us anytime soon. But we're not experts at stuff like this. But we did the best we could, and we certainly had fun doing it. So, if you guys liked what you saw in this case,
Then press the thumbs up.
well, in this case, like the video, or even subscribe for more content.
That's how you need. Stop, Jason.
Be sure to, like our Facebook page, follow the Twitter and the Tumblr that I have. Also, be sure to rate my work on writing.com. And as always,
Subscribe.
and as always,
Subscribe.
I'm not gonna feel in there. I already know what's in there. But in this case, as always, subscribe to that Patreon to help fund us for our content. This is the Grand Owl signing out. Stay beautiful, everyone. And that's the end of a video. That's a video for us.